Hola my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be trying out a mystery box from Unearthly Cosmetics, and this is a brand that I've been super curious to try and I haven't yet, and they come out with so many great products that have me very intrigued throughout the years. So when I saw they were doing a summer mystery box, I was like, okay, this is the time for me to try it out and see. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. So this is the box. I got the box right here. Look how beautiful that is. The logo is right in the center. And you see the clouds. It's like a pink hue. I think it's very pretty. So this is the one that retailed for, I think it was the small one. I will put it up in the screen because I can't remember it right now. And they had like a 40% off. It was a 40% off or something like that. That's why I grabbed it quickly. It brings 5 items. And this is the box, but it's heavy. It is heavy, so I'm super curious to know what's inside. Let's open it up. And this box, honestly, this box is gorgeous. Okay, let me take that out. Oh, it's a themed. I thought it was gonna be random products they own, but no. Okay, so I guess this is from the Get Groovy collection that they came out with, and it brings, what is this? This is the first item I see here. This is the highlighter duo. Good, I didn't put any highlighter just in case to try out. All I have on my face just in case, I have my foundation. It's a tinted moisturizer. I have powder, and I had forgotten to not put blush on just in case this brings blush. I don't know if it does. So I have a little cream blush situation going on, but I try to put my foundation over it to sheer it out just in case. So this is the highlighter. Let's open it up. This is heavy. This box is heavy and it's so pretty. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's like a gold. It brings 2. Here you can see it better. These 2. Look how sparkly this one is. So this one's called Slick and In Your Dreams. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. One is deeper than the other one. There you can see it way better. It's pretty. I guess I'm gonna have to use the bottom one because it's the lightest. It's like a gold champagne type of color. Let me go ahead and put that on. Let me get a brush. So I added a little blush to intensify it, the one that I already had, and I'm gonna go in with the lightest one, which is Slick. I have here a little brush from Spoiled Cosmetics, and these are glittery. These are very glittery, so if you don't like glittery highlighters, you're not gonna like this one because they are super glittery. I personally would love to use these as eyeshadow because I'm not really that, oh my god, you could see the specks a mile away. It's pretty, but I would prefer it on the eyes instead of on my cheeks because it kind of goes all over the place, you know. I have down here specks of the foil, so I can't really be precise with this. You'll end up with a whole bunch of glitter specks all over your face. So if you don't like those, some people love those. So, you know, it's a gorgeous color. It's very intense, as you can see. But it's not my personal preference when it comes to highlighters. I usually like the ones that are not glittery and actually more on the subtle side. So this is very intense for me. This is way out of my comfort zone. But it's pretty nonetheless. Okay, so next I see these 3 things in here. It brings 3. And then these are the satin liquid lipsticks. Ooh. And like I said, I've never tried any of their products, so I'm super excited it actually brings lipsticks so I can try their formula and see if I like it. Look at this, how beautiful. Do you see that? That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. So I don't know if this is the shade. This shade is called Gnarly. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Let me open this up. This is so insane. I've never had a packaging like that. That's so cool. Oh yeah, that is the shade. Let me see where I can put it where I don't have glitter on my hands. Ooh, this is actually perfect for fall. That is a nice color. It feels very creamy, very soft. So that's a good sign. I want to see how they dry down. Oh, okay, so all of them have the little, and you can see little moons and stars in there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Look at this one. I think this is going to be more like a more metallic, glittery shade. This shade is called Psych. Oh yes, it is. This one's more like a lip gloss, or you can put it over any other color or wear it alone. Let me see if you can see the little specks of glitter. To literally bend my hand the wrong way so you can see it. Oh, I think I'm gonna love this one. Look at this one here. Do you see that? Those sparkles? I think I'm gonna love this one. Oh yes. I can tell right now this is gonna be my favorite, and this one is like a lip gloss as well. I know I'm gonna use this one. I don't know what look I'm gonna do, but that color is stunning. It's stunning. And then you can put this one on top of this one. I bet that will look gorgeous as well. I don't know if I told you the name of that one. That one is Spaz. And last we have the palette. I assume this is the palette. Yes, eyeshadow palette and pressed pigment palette. This is the Get Groovy palette. And of course, this brand is cruelty free and vegan and all that good stuff. It's a rainbow palette. Look at those shades. I'm going to show you some swatches. These are the shimmers. It brings 6 shimmers. Absolutely stunning. These are the 6 mattes. Okay, I think I know what look I'm gonna do for this video. And I don't know how their eyeshadow performed, but I already did my base, so I have to be really careful just in case. Let me just pinch my bangs out of the way. I think I'm gonna stick to the purples and blues. I'm gonna start with the blue first. Right over here is stunning. It's like a sky blue. It's called Blast. I'm gonna place that right in the inner part over here. And I have to go above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes, and if I leave it in the crease, I won't be able to see the color. So if you're a hooded eye gal, stick around because so am I. We can join forces. Just a little hint of that color right over here. Not too much, but this is building up very, very good. That's a nice color. I'm gonna use the purple. Gorgeous purple over here, and I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. It's called Radical. So let me know if you've tried this brand and what do you think of it? Do you like it? What products do you have? Because I've heard great things about this brand. That's why I was so curious to try it. And when I saw they had this mystery box, I was like, great. I can try a couple of things from them and then I'll decide if I like them or not. And so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. These are very pigmented. Very pigmented. It's a gorgeous purple. It's more on the warm side. In the pan, it looks more cool tone, but in my opinion, it's more on the warm side. Added glitter primer by NYX because I want to try one of those shimmers now. And I think I'm going to go in with this one. It's like a green gold right here. I like that one a lot. I want to try that one. And I'm going to place it in the center like a halo type of thing. This is definitely a summer palette in my opinion. And if you like tones like these are great. I had no issues with the purple and the blue, and you know how they say that purples and blues are hard to create because they tend to be patchy or they don't blend well. I had no issues with those two. I think they went on perfectly fine, very easy to blend. They're not patchy at all. So I approve of those two colors. Look at that. For the lower lash line, I think I'm going to stick with the same pattern. I'm going to go in first with the purple and connect it over here. Just going to place that right here in the outer corner and connect it with the top part. This purple is stunning. This is definitely one of my favorite purples. And now I'm going to take that blue. Maybe for the bottom part I'll use another shimmer. I'm debating on that. Because there's a blue up here that I think is going to be pretty as well. I'm going to use this blue. I thought I was recording, but I'm not. I wasn't. And I'm going to pop it right down here because it's so freaking pretty. It's like a blue-green. Now I'm going to use this shade here as a liner type of thing in the lower lash line. And I gotta say, I haven't had any fallout with none of the shades. But I also have been very light-handed. Maybe that helps. I'm going to pop some eyeliner, some lashes, and I'll be back to try the lip product. So I popped in some lashes by this brand called Poppy and Ivy. I found this at Burlington for like $5 and it's so good. The band is so thin and flexible, you don't even feel it on your eyes. The little hairs are soft. I mean, they're great quality. If you're out at TJ Maxx or Burlington or Marshalls, any of those stores, and you find this and you're more into the natural lashes, I mean, they're natural, but you can still see them, so they're good. I love them. So for the lips, you know I'm gonna try that purple one. I just have to. But first I'm gonna line my lips with the Milani lip liner. This is in shade Blazing Berry. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. That is gorgeous and very pigmented. I love this. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna use this a lot. I know that for sure. So it's not sticky, thank goodness. And it's not goopy either. This is great. So this is everything on my face. What do you think? I love that shimmer right there, that pop. Oh, it's so freaking beautiful. I love the eyeshadow palette. I think the quality of the eyeshadow palette is amazing. It's great. The mattes are very easy to work with. You can slowly build it up. You can get the intensity that you want. The shimmers are stunning. At least the two that I try are stunning. The highlighter is not my favorite, again, because it's more on the glittery side. It's a lot of glitter in there. But I'm definitely gonna use it as eyeshadow. And the lips, I still have two to try, but this I know is my favorite, and I know I'm gonna love this and continue using it. So overall, this box was great. If by the time I'm editing this video and uploading it, if it's still available, I'm gonna try to link it in the description box in case you're interested in it. Hopefully it's still available. I don't know yet. I haven't checked, so I'll keep you posted on that. Check there in case you're interested in it, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you plan on picking this up, or if you already have it, what looks have you done with it, all that good stuff. So thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on your way out because that does help me out a lot. And I'll see you next time. Bye.